Ever seen a hacker movie where the attacker installs some shady piece of malware and everything goes wrong? Now imagine the opposite. No strange downloads, no unfamiliar programs, no obvious warning signs. Because the attacker is using the same tools your system already trusts. Sometimes the most dangerous attacks don't bring anything new in. They use what's already there. Let's get started. Hello and welcome to another Cybersecurity 101. I'm Mark Hemingway, Creative Content Director here at Archer Energy Solutions. Today we're talking about living off the land, often shortened to LOTL, a stealthy attack technique that becomes more common across both IT and OT environments. Instead of installing custom malware, attackers abuse legitimate tools that already exist on your system. Tools that are trusted, approved, and often overlooked by security teams. Let's take a closer look. Living off the land is a technique where attackers use built-in system tools and trusted software to carry out attacks. These tools were designed for administrators, not attackers, but when abused, they can be used to move through your networks, escalate privileges, steal credentials, exfiltrate data, maintain persistence. Common LOTL tools include PowerShell, Windows Management Instrumentation, command line utilities, scripting engineers, and native system services. The attack blends in because everything looks legitimate. Here are some of the most common ways attackers live off the land. Number 1, PowerShell abuse. Attackers run malicious commands through PowerShell to download payloads, move laterally, or execute scripts, all without dropping traditional malware. Number 2, credential dumping with native tools. Using built-in utilities or memory access tools to extract passwords and hashes. Number 3, scheduled tasks and services. Attackers create legitimate-looking tasks that allow them to come back later. Persistence without obvious malware. Number 4, remote management tools. Legitimate remote access features are abused to control systems across the network. Each technique hides in plain sight by using tools defenders already trust. 3 big reasons. Number 1, trusted tools. Security systems are less likely to flag activity coming from built-in software. Number 2, minimal footprint. Very little, if anything, gets installed, leaving fewer forensic traces. Number 3, blends in with normal activity. LOTL attackers often look like routine admin behavior, making detection extremely difficult. This makes living off the land a favorite technique for advanced attackers and nation-state actors. Here's the good news. Small controls make a big difference. Number 1, limit admin privileges. Only give elevated access to users who absolutely need it. Number 2, monitor behavior, not just tools. Look for unusual command usage, odd execution times, or abnormal patterns. Number 3, restrict scripting. Control PowerShell, macros, and scripting engines with strong policies. Number 4, use application allow listing. Define what should run and block everything else. Number 5, log and review activity. Centralized logging helps spot abnormal use of legitimate tools. Living off the land attacks are dangerous because they don't look dangerous. They use trusted tools, familiar processes, and legitimate access until it's too late. A little visibility and awareness goes a long way. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this episode. Spread the word. The more people that understand how modern attacks work, the safer our environments become. And don't forget to follow us on our socials, LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter, or X. Stay alert, stay informed, and don't let attackers live off your land. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
You can catch new episodes every Thursday. Follow us on YouTube at ArcherU. Like, subscribe, and click the bell notification to be notified when a new episode has been released. Is there a question or a topic you'd like Mark to address on an upcoming episode of Cybersecurity 101? Leave them in the comments below and check back in every Thursday for a brand new episode.